Hi, this is Krista King here, and I'm trying to show you um, how you can do a double exposure with a profile picture and preferably on a white background, and then maybe wear a white shirt or white tank top. So we're gonna look and see how you can pull in like let's say it's a tree, right? And you just literally just take your move tool and drag it into the image. See it go on there, I already have one there. And you change it to screen, and this is what it does. It's really, really cool. It looks beautiful on the image, especially since we're doing stuff that has to do with the environment. So if you hit edit, free transform, you can back up by pushing command or control minus or plus. You could back it up so you can see where you bring this in, and then you have a chance to, it changes it a little bit. So if you want the edge of the tree to be on one side like that, see how that kind of does a different shape? What you get to pick. Let's go in close. I think that looks really pretty. I did one with a map here of the world. See? That was cool. Here's a rose. Watch, it looks pretty. Screen. Let's do screen. So this was a flower somebody took, a rose in their in their backyard. Just gives a pretty, depends on how you wanna, where you wanna place it. Let's try this little yellow flower. This is fun. Now notice the yellow flower looks giant on this image because the picture that I'm using right now is really tiny. I got it from the internet. But it's cool. Oops, you have to be on the correct layer to move it. Because I like showing how big the flower is. It looks good. So I really like that. But you can do it with here's an example with a boy. Here's the image that we use. It's just like that. I hit screen. Here's another image with like a dry tree from far away. If you have images that have some blue background or just, it's clear and you're from far away, it blends into the white, like when you push screen. So it's really cool because you don't have to do anything. As long as there's an edge to your tree and there's nothing in the way, look at this. Try to get the whole tree right like this. And it looks powerful from back up and try to get the whole thing without a bunch of distractions. If you have to, cut it out. But it's really, really easy to do and fun. So I was hoping we would do this. So start off by taking a portrait of yourself outside, maybe looking up or sideways. You could try smiling, try different things. Probably not smiling, but you can look happy, and that'll work. Here's one of the flower. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one was really, really big. I'm gonna go over here and let's look at the other one I had. You lose your, forget what the other image was that I was using. Shoot, it's like missing. Where'd it go? Not helpful when you don't remember which image you're using. Oh, here it is. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna be fun. I think you could use this for your environment picture for sure. So your flower pictures work, but also some trees, some dead trees would be good. Let's try that.